Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and whether MagSafe or accessories will interact with the logo. This affects placement and safety. Once done, wipe the back with 70% isopropyl so adhesives stick and you can see the logo clearly. Make sure the case is off or transparent so the logo is visible. This lets you position items precisely. Finally, lay out the decal, sticker, or magnetic accessory over the logo to test visual balance before committing any adhesive. Now you perform the precise placement. Use a small ruler, alignment card, or a straight edge to mark the center and ensure the logo sits exactly where you want the element. Accuracy matters for magnets and camera clearance. Peel backing partially, place the center, then press outward slowly to remove air and prevent wrinkles. If it's magnetic or affects wireless charging, check a quick charge test and make sure the camera and buttons remain unobstructed, so function is preserved. Finish by securing edges and confirming functionality. Press the whole area firmly for 1 minute, and if desired, apply a thin clear top coat or edge adhesive to prevent peeling. Make sure wireless charging and the camera operate normally. This verifies you didn't block coils or lenses. If bubbles or misalignment occur, lift the edge slowly and reapply, or use a tiny needle to release trapped air and smooth outward. If charging still fails, remove and reevaluate accessory compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.